This is a demonstration of the Cooler Master Master Keys Pro L with Kalebox Jade switches. I'm just going to do a quick typing test demonstration. That'll just take 1 minute. So that's just a quick demonstration. I do have lubed stabs on here as well. So the stabilized keys make very little noise. Thanks for watching.